Ngiyasekela nokuphapha this year.
Yeah, boy. I told you that I'm gonna beat you. Shut the fuck up now. Yeah? 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 What did I say?
No, I'm getting a phone call.
You always get a phone call.
Bro, I'm getting a phone call. Relax. Hello?
Hello? Hello? Sphe?
Yeah, who's this?
Hey, yeka isingisi. Usiphelele lo ngikhuluma naye. Bana sekhaya lo ngingizayo. Ofefezayo. Wena lo?
No. The only brother I have is in prison and...
Ngijwayele ka. Lalela. Ngikukhumbuza ukukhuluma nomama ukuthi awazi. Iminyaka mhlawumbe seyishumi. Hayi futhi kahle kahle iyishumi. Silokwagcina ukungibona, ukukhuluma nami. Wena wazi ngisho ngilethele ugwayi. Yazwa ukuthi ukhuluma noba.
Bafo!
Uyazi ukuthi ukhuluma noba ngithi siphelele. Usafefeza namanje?
Ay, ngisayenze lonto.
No, kushuthi lento uzoyizwa kahle. Hala naye mfana wami. Ngiyaphuma la. Yenza njani?
You getting out?
Ngizolandwa wena.
Okay, when? I mean, nini?
Kusasa. Ngiyaphuma la. Yenza njani?
You are getting out?
Ngizolandwa wena. Ngizolanda ubani tatona?
Mina.
Ngizolanda wena. Khumbula kudala ngangithi Godoyi nayi papa. Papa nayi Godoyi. Yabona ke wena mgodoyi uzolanda ipapa kusasa. Lalela ke wesibhema ngingiza mafefeza mfana wasekhaya. Angabe ungangilandanga kusasa. Khumbula amabetho uzokhomba umuzi onotshwala. Kusasa ke wesibhema. Asibonge.
Yo, who was that, bruh? Who was that on the phone?
He's coming back.
Jesus? Man, you know I'm not about that Jesus life, dog. Buddha all day, every day. Buddha boys worldwide.
No, like he's coming back.
Who?
My brother.
Talking about the one who eats ass?
Not that one. The other one. But yeah, like
The only other one I remember is the one who failed grade 1.
No. The one who's in prison. Oh shit! 10 years. SK.
Skara?
Skara.
Skara?
Skara. And we need to go and pick him up.
Who's we,
Dog,
nigga?
come on, dog. I can't face that nigga alone. I haven't seen him in 10 years. Come on, I need you on this one, dog.
We gonna pick up that nigga who went to trial and never got bail.
Nah, that's not him.
You got problems, bro.
He's the one who stole chocolate at ShopRites and they made him walk naked as a punishment, but it didn't work. So he ended up like punching the security and they just ended up locking him for 10 years.
Whatever you say, nigga. Let's play. Bruh, don't you think like joysticks feel like nipples?